All right, guys, it is no longer news that the Super Falcons won the last edition of the WAFCON competition. That's so massive. Congratulations to the Super Falcons. Out of 13 different competition in this tournament, the Super Falcons have won 10 out of 13. That shows dominance. It shows that we are the authority, we are the Babanla of female football in Africa. I think the only countries that have come between Nigeria in winning these competitions are Equatorial Guinea and South Africa. Now, Equatorial Guinea in 2008, and they also won in 2012, I guess. Then South Africa won the 2022 edition of the competition. So that means we are just the best. So on winning this particular competition, this is the real where we have problem. Winning this competition where will give us $1 million. But the question here is, wait for it, how much will each player receive? How much will the players receive out of the $1 million? How much will each player receive? That's the real question. If Nigeria, like the country we know, what will really happen here? We'll have so many press releases. We'll have plenty of denials, now, your country. Then the players will protest. They will protest that they have not been paid, and the country will now, the FA will now say that they are sabotaging them, that they don't want to use them for social media to gain popularity on social media. They will say that disrespecting them. This is where the real competition starts. It's going to be lots of relay races, going back and forth. They will tell them that they are going to use some part of the money for administrative work. They will use what again? They will tell them that bureaucracy, and also some part of the money will be given to develop the sports back at home. And finally, these players, after so many back and forth, they will give them like $20,000 each, and the rest will be for the FA to chop. But I just pray that this particular edition is not going to be like that. Like the FA should just do something and for the players, because they actually deserved it. They should prove Nigeria wrong. Yes, they should prove Nigeria wrong. Catch ya.